Hey guys, this is Akash from Havenspire. In this video, I will give you insight on how we function as a community. Before we get into this, I want to raise awareness about fraudulent activities that is happening around you regarding the stock market. As you know, stock trading is a skill that can help you make a lot of money, but only if you know what you're doing. To reach this stage, it actually takes a lot of practice. Now, there are a lot of coaches and institutes who charge a ridiculously big amount of money to actually learn stock trading. Some of these coaches even charge 50,000 rupees or 1 lakh rupees just to understand the basics of the stock market and everything, which is easily available online. Trust me, you do not have to pay this amount of money for just to learn stock trading. If you want to learn stock trading, you can refer to Varsity by Zerodha, which is free of cost and accessible to anyone. I'm not saying that all of the institutes are actually fraudulent. There are some genuine ones as well. But when you choose your trading community, make sure that they are completely transparent. Make sure you are allowed to talk to other students as well. Apart from this, the institute should be honest about their profits and losses. It is crucial to let your clients know that losses are also part of your trading journey. Now let's talk about Havenspire. What I'm going to do is I'm going to give you a step-by-step guide on what our members go through after they sign up for the program. Through our years of experience in the stock market, we have designed a roadmap in such a way that we will fast-track your learning curve as a stock trader. Now, this is not just an online course. This goes much deeper than that. The program is designed in such a way that it is a continuous learning process where you'll be learning something or the other every single day. Once you sign up, you will have an induction training first. This interactive session will be taken by one of our experienced traders. To attend this session, you do not need any prior experience of the stock market. You will be starting from scratch. After the session, you will be added to a private chat room along with your batchmates. Now, this private chat room will also have an experienced trader who will be helping you out with all your queries and actually help you trade better. In addition to this, you also get lifetime access to our Havenspire community server. This server consists of all our members, experienced traders, and even our elite group of mentors. You can interact with all of these members and actually discuss trading opportunities as well as trade setups and become a better trader at the end of the day. This community server is all about putting these like-minded people together. In this server itself, we have channels for discussing the news, we have channels for discussing the motivational doses, we have channels for discussing the doubts. Even if we have doubts from the beginner level to the advanced level, we have different channels for those as well. In this same server, we have our team of mentors. You can just use the @mentors tag in whatever it is, and they'll help you out with the queries and everything at that same point of time itself. Now, trading is actually a pretty lonely process, but we are here to disrupt that space. Every one of our traders go through this process. They push each other and empower each other. When we win as a family. We talk money, we talk trade setups, we talk about profits and losses, we talk about company fundamentals, we talk about everything related to trading, and even memes. We have our own memes channel within our community itself. Let me just quickly explain what mentors are. These guys have been trading with us from the start of Havenspire. Now, these are people who we have seen through their learning curve. We have seen them posting screenshots of rupees 100 rupees, 200 rupees, to putting posts of screenshots of rupees 1 lakh and more in profits every single day. Now, these are people who have been through all the ups and downs of trading and know stock trading inside out. This is where we want our members to be at in a few months' time under our guidances. Now, there's a question that comes up most of the time, which is, can't we just learn trading on your own, and do we actually need mentors? Yes, you can. You can learn trading on your own. The only problem is that it will take you like 2 to 3 years to actually be good at it. Till then, you'll be making a lot of losses. What you have to understand is trading is a process of introspection as well as rectification. Trading is more than just a normal learning something and just implementing it. There's a lot of psychology involved in it. In trading, what you have to realize is every time you lose money, it's because of a mistake that you do in the market. You have to learn from your mistakes and keep growing to become a better trader. If you're new to stock trading, it's going to take you a while to actually get hold of all of these things. That's why we are here to analyze your mistakes, rectify them, and help you out in any possible way, and even help you control your emotions as well. After all, our ultimate aim is actually not to make you profitable, it's actually to make sure you don't lose money. So how the process is going to work for you in Havenspire is that the first 2 weeks of your trading, you guys will be paper trading. Paper trading means that you'll be writing down your trades in a piece of paper and you won't be investing real money into the market. So this is where you practice and where you understand the strategies and learn how to implement them. Now, in this 2 weeks of time, you would have learned a lot of things in the market, and the next step is to actually start investing money into it. But when you invest very small amount, maximum 2 to 3K. Now, this is your training money. This is the capital in which you have to practice your trades. Once you have started investing real money into the market, this is where you have to learn from your mistakes and rectify them and make sure you don't make them again. We follow a system of drip scheduling, which means that we teach one at a time. Every week, you'll be introduced to new content, strategies, techniques, etc. You'll find yourself enjoying this process and actually completing your learning curve. Along with this, all our members also get access to what we call the Havenspire Academy page. It is basically a library with all the content that you'll ever need. Now, this library consists of so many strategies that we have backtested ourselves and even found out new things in the market. Every time we come across something new in the market, say if we come across a new strategy or something that works better in the market, we add it to the Havenspire library so that all our members can also access this and learn from it. It also consists of our research work and things that are working for sure in the market. It even includes live trade breakdowns. Live trade breakdowns in the sense the trades that we take in live markets and the reason and the psychology behind taking a particular trade is also covered in these live trade breakdowns as well. For more information, you can follow us on our Instagram page where we keep updating our daily journeys. Apart from this, you can also check out our member reviews and everything under this particular post. Honestly, I'm really glad to be part of this community, and it has been quite an experience for me as well to be able to help people to reach new heights. We'll soon start posting a lot more content on YouTube for beginners to advanced. A lot more exciting stuff to come up on this channel, guys. So just tap the bell icon and subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss out on any of those content. So happy trading, guys. Hope you guys got a clarity on how our family functions, and I hope to see you guys inside. Ta-da! Done.